to all my wonderful children. I hope every one of you is doing pretty good. Yes, so my dear children, this video is going to be really important for you because you know COMEDK Counselling registration has started off and you have to upload certain documents. Now you have to make sure that the document is approved by them, otherwise it can lead to consequences. So to make you understand about that, I am going to show you certain things, and I believe that it would be helping you really well. Okay, so first thing, there is document status column and what it means. So suppose it is written that documents have been submitted, documents submitted. That means your document has been received by COMEDK and it is yet to be verified by the officer. It has not been verified. Now resubmit, if this comes, that means what? The COMEDK has asked you to resubmit a few documents out there. The requested document should be submitted within 12 hours. This is very much important. So what you have to do is, every single time once you have uploaded your document, make sure you are having a routine check there whether your documents have been approved or not. Okay, suppose the resubmit thing is being coming up, please make sure you're resubmitting the document within 12 hours. So the document is not resubmitted within the stipulated time, your candidature will not be considered. So do not lead to that. Please make sure you are having a quick check. Now, document resubmitted, once such thing has come, and then you will upload the documents once more, then this thing would be coming up, that is documents are resubmitted. Candidates have resubmitted a document and is yet to be verified by the COMEDK, but they have not verified it yet. Finally, how do you understand whether it's verified or not? Something like this would be coming up, document approved. All your documents are in order and have been verified and approved by COMEDK. You are now eligible for further process of what? Counselling. For example, round 1 and round 2, whenever it comes through, you are all ready for that. You do not have to be worried about anything. Now, you should be worried when something like this comes up, that is document rejected. The documents you submitted are not in order and or probably is incorrect and hence rejected. Please check your email for the reason for rejection. They would have surely mailed. Okay, so please check your email for rejection. You cannot take part in the further counselling process. This is one very important thing. So for children who are yet to upload your documents, make sure you have watched the video that I have made about the document upload. You are only uploading those things and you are giving correct information out there. If you are not giving, you might probably be wasting your years. So do not do that, do not take that risk. Take your time, properly verify it, keep it in order, and then only have a separate folder in your desktop for all the documents that you have to upload. Rename them and have it ready. It will help you better. Okay, so please do that. Otherwise, it will be coming as document rejected. If it comes like that, you cannot do anything. Now, there is another thing that is under review. So when does this pop up? This will pop up if your document is being reviewed by COMEDK. Supplementary compartment candidates, please note your login will show under review till you upload your supplementary passed marks card. For example, some children have already got the results, so they would be uploading it, so all fine. I told you how you have to upload. I hope you remember that. If at all you do not remember, I will be just showing you one very important thing. So whenever you upload your PUC 12th standard or the equivalent mark sheet, what you have to do is, if you have improvement or supplementary marks, you can scan both of them together and upload it as one particular PDF. Okay, upload it as one particular PDF. Now, for children who has not yet got the results or who is yet to write their exam, basically who has not yet got the result, for them obviously you do not have a scorecard to upload. So in your case, this thing would be coming up, that is your documents would be under review. Okay, so supplementary compartment candidates, please note your login will show under review till you upload your supplementary passed marks card. And if you go ahead, my dear children, after supplementary compartment candidates upload their passed marks card, the documents will be verified, and if approved, that the candidate's login will show supplementary approved. Okay, once you are done with the document upload, and if it's totally correct, if it's approved, it will show supplementary approved. So for children who have not went ahead with supplementary or improvement, for you until here it's all fine, I hope so. Yeah, it should be just showing document approved. For children who are yet to upload their document, such as this, because your results have not come through, for them only, for them only who have not got the result. I am telling you again, there are few children who have already written the supplementary, got the results. It's not for them. For children who have not got your past mark report, for them I am telling you, in that case you have to upload it, and then this would be coming up, that is supplementary approved. Okay, so there is a general confusion around it, which is why I will be talking a bit more for the supplementary students, that is whether you would be able to participate in round 1 and things like that. Let's have a quick look at that as well. So just moving ahead, my dear children, if you are worried about the document video, I have already made one. Please watch it, it will be helpful for you. And before going ahead with the supplementary thing, I also want you to have a quick read of these things, that is candidates whose document verification is document approved will only be considered for the next step of choice filling. Please understand that no one else would be allowed to do choice filling. Okay. Candidates whose document verification status is document rejected will not be able to participate in the further process. In case of incorrect declaration in application form or documents, your candidature may be rejected at any stage of counselling admission process. So make sure you are uploading only the correct documents. Now, as I was talking about the supplementary candidates, there are certain rules that they have mentioned in the documents, in the counselling document related thing that they have given. First thing, supplementary compartment candidates of PU board 10+2 equivalent exam of current year should have passed supplementary compartment exam in the year 2025, satisfying all the eligibility criteria. I hope you know the eligibility criteria, that is this much percentage marks should be there. Otherwise, you are not eligible. Okay. Now, going ahead, supplementary compartment candidates should register during the initial counselling registration period, as in this period, and they have to upload all the required mandatory documents. There will be no separate registration period for supplementary candidates. You can only register now. That's in the fee payment, 2,000 rupees. You have to pay it now itself. You cannot wait that the result would be coming in and then you will do the payment. No, there would not be separate window for you guys. Please understand that. You would have to pay the fee right now. The documents and things like that, as I told you, once your results come in, you can upload it. That's the next point. So for the candidates who are yet to appear for the supplementary exam in the current year, that is 2025, they can upload all the required mandatory documents, including their current 10+2 second PUC mark sheet, and submit the application. Such candidates will be given an opportunity to upload their past supplementary exam mark sheet to prove their eligibility before the start of round 3. That means round 1 and round 2 you would not be able to attempt. I hope I am very clear with that. This is a very important piece of information. Okay. Before round 3, this will be sorted. So, candidate is required to upload the mark sheet within the time given by COMEDK. Supplementary candidates will be given a chance to participate from round 3. That's in those students who didn't get the results and uploading it later on, for them only. Okay. These candidates will be provided with an option of choice filling at the beginning of round 3. And subsequent allotment process will be available for these candidates. I hope that's clear. And supplementary candidates will be considered only for general merit seats for you guys. You would not be considered for KKR, that is Karnataka region seats. I hope I am clear with that. So you would be considered only for the general merit seats. There are 2 seats according to COMEDK. There is no SC, ST, OBC category seats available. There is no reservation like that. There is only general and KKR, Karnataka region seats available. Okay, so you are eligible only for the general merit seats. For the children who are uploading their documents later on, for them I am talking about. Okay, there might be certain children who have already given supplementary, who have gotten their results. It's okay, your documents, if they are verified, all cool, you can just go ahead like normal, like how others are going. Okay, but for children who have not yet received their results, for them this would be the case. You can only participate for round 3. Okay, and you would be only considered for general merit seats. I hope that is also clear. So yeah, it's kind of confusing at some points when you read the document, which is why we thought we will be making a video on it. If at all we get more information regarding this, we would definitely update you guys. And that's all. If at all you have any queries which we can solve, which is within our limits, please put it down in the comment section. And if you like the video, do not forget to like, and please stay subscribed to the channel for getting all the updates around COMEDK as well as KCET. Please take care of yourselves. Bye bye.